How to backup and restore your COTR mobile wallet. Open the app and click the menu icon in the top right-hand corner. Click Backup from the menu. In order to backup your wallet, you have two options. Choose the download option to download a backup file, which you will want to store in a safe place somewhere off of your device. Or choose the mnemonics option to view your 24-word seed. Be sure to order the words by number, write them on a piece of paper, and store it somewhere safe. This time, let's click Restore from the menu. In order to restore your wallet, you have two options. Choose the Upload option to restore your wallet from a backup file you previously downloaded. Or choose the mnemonics option to restore your wallet by inputting your 24-word seed, word by word. Your wallet is now restored.